So yeah, welcome to this class actually, but I'm not going to call it class. There is no paparazzi here. This is not like a regular webinar that you watch. This is just to show you exactly what you need to do for you to gain access to to earn effortlessly with Forex without you going through the hassle of technical analysis or price action. You know, we tell you are going to get like Forex signals and more. But my name is Oyari. So I've been a forex trader for a while, and as well, and I feel like there are some people too that we need to help me and my team actually. I majorly have some teams in which they analyze forex charts and then we give signals to people. And majorly, I'm going to show you how you can have access to the signal. The funny thing is that you are not paying for the signal. See, let me tell you something. One thing about Forex trader is that if you are making money through Forex, I don't know why you should charge people for signals actually. If you want to help people, you help people. And well, you can charge people for signal, but at least maybe for the first month of second month or 2 months, let them have access to free signals. This is what I'm going to do for you, yeah. Trying to analyze the chart, starting to understand how the chart goes and all those kind of stuff, knowing the last day high, this high, trying to study the ICT method. You might not understand if you have not really watched videos about Forex before, going the smart trader concept or the inner circle trader concept, that can be very, very complicated for you. And let me be real. There are only few profitable traders out there. It is very hard for you to see profitable traders out there, and it is very hard to make profits in Forex. Most people just come copying different type of people's success and just putting it on the group. Some people even go ahead to even screenshot their demo account just to make sure that you pay for a signal, and then they allow you to lose your money over and over again. If you are new, don't worry. You don't need to go through the hassle of technical analysis. Let me tell you something. If you want to start technical analysis today, it will take you months, even over a year, for you to even become consistent. Yeah, you can become consistent within 6, 7 months, but it takes hours of studying, of grinding. There will be time that you lose your money. That's just the point. Ask from every profitable traders out there. They have lost a lot of money, but you don't need to go through this route. You just need to leverage our own knowledge. Me and my team. I'm not the only one who analyze. Me and my team and just leverage on it, just climb that horse and enjoy the ride and make money. And if you want to learn how to trade Forex, don't worry. You can also learn as well. But the important thing is that when you are making money, your head, you can think very straight. You can focus on learning and learn very well. Maybe if you later want to learn. But when you are losing money, oh my God, you are not going to learn anything. At the end of the day, you might not be able to control your emotions and lose all the money you have. So let's look at the situation of Nigeria today. This man has really done us a strong thing, actually. He has really put us into a lot of trouble. When you look at the fuel price today, first fuel price is around 988 at NNPC right now. I think it's over 1,000 naira now at NNPC price. And the other police station, especially um, if you are not in Lagos, it might be around something like 1,100 and above right now. Imagine like 15 months ago, 15 months ago, it was like 188 naira. I used to think about it. When we look at the inflation rate means like how high, like the increase in price of things, like 32.7%. This is the craziest, like this is the highest so far around the world. And looking at the foreign exchange, the reason why you want to focus on this forex and make money. Imagine you making $300, convert that to in a month, convert that to naira and look at your salary, how much you are earning right now. Even if you are earning way more than that, imagine that you can just leave your salary, let it be plain there, and be spending forex money. That's the point, but you can save it in dollars actually instead of changing it to naira. So look at the last year June, it was still 463 naira. That's crazy. High cost of living. The cost of living has want to kill the living himself. Now look at it, high house rent, especially if we are living in Lagos and Abuja. Oh my God, the house rent is crazy. Price of food in the market is crazy. There is no salary increment, even the profit from business. It's not. Nigeria is now in more debt than before. But who will save us? No more, nobody will save us. So you just have to save your own self and your family. That's just the point. Save your own self, your family, and your friends. That's why me, I'm here to give you a way out. I'm willing to help you as well. So, majorly, I'm not here to come and start telling you some kind of weird stories. I'm just going to go to the main points because I don't want this to be long. Who is this for? If you are struggling to make money online, especially in foreign currencies like dollars or euros, Forex will do that for you. You have tried countless signal groups in the past and only you keep losing money over and over again. You are not alone. You are with me. Don't worry. Our signals are of like 70% assurance. See, when someone is telling you it's 100%, they are lying. I'll tell you for fun that DAX, one of the top and the most profitable trader in Nigeria, lost $270,000 in a single day. Imagine, lost 207, and he showed it to everybody. But most traders out there, they won't show you where they are losing money. That's just the point. So you have learned technical analysis, but still yet you can't seem to get consistent. I told you already, forget about technical analysis. You can learn that from us later. But now the major thing I want to help you to do is to make sure you are making money. You are searching for a way to earn extra income in this shit show economy without stressing about Tinubu's government. You want to forget about Tinubu's government. You don't even want to make it concern you again. You want just to make your own money, just the soft life. And you want to make more money even before this December. You want to make more money even before this December. And if you are not watching this in December, you are watching it around January 2025, you let us say you want to keep making consistent money every month for yourself. Whether you're a 9 to 5, you're a core member, you're a student, stay at home parent, you're probably looking for a side hustle to boost your income, or even you are currently earning enough, you can say at this join so that at least $300 every month. Even if it is $200 every month, it's still money. That's over 300K. That is actually going to stay in some spot. And you don't need to, don't worry, I'm going to tell you what you need to do. It's just you typing some few numbers into a box actually, and you will see money. Yeah, that's just it. You are tired of watching others making big gains while you are left behind, and you want financial freedom that allow you to finally live your life in your own terms. That's just the point, especially 9 to 5. All those bosses, they've just be stressing you up and now, and you need to get out of it. So who is this not for? Please, if you are not willing to risk any amount, start earning in forex market. You are not willing to invest any amount, to start. This is not and you don't have any patience to let your profit grow. Please, you must be patient. Forex needs you to be patient. And you can't handle minor losses and only expect 100% winning trade. See, let me tell you something. No profitable trader wins 100%. The average wins around 60 to 70%. But the way we have done it here is that we have meticulously analyzed our data. That whenever we don't see 100% confirmation, we don't give you that signals. That's just the point. And you can't commit to managing your emotions during the market up. And please, you must learn to manage your emotions because we tell you when to take your profit and when to wait for the market to get to your profit. So you need to follow us on this and trust us on this. And what are you getting actually? You are getting a free forex signal. See, where we are getting these signals from and the type of team that does the analysis, those people who are in that signal group, they pay $100 per month. That's the point. And you have access to it for 6 weeks. The way we are doing this signal group is majorly for you to, within that 6 months, you've 6 weeks actually, you earn like let us say minimum like $300 to $400. So you can easily pay the $100, right? But at the end of that 6 weeks, it might still be free after that time, but you might not be paying. But we, my job and my team is to make sure that you start earning money in forex. That's all we care about right now. and you have access to free Forex course. If you want to learn Forex, the worth is around $1,200. Not actually the worth. The worth is way more than that. What people are actually paying for the course. And you have access to free support group as well. You can ask your questions anytime. I know. So for those people who are currently in this signal group, those people will pass through the free stage first. So see, you can see testimonials now. You can see this guy, he loaded his account with $250. And within the first day, actually, this first day, he was able to make $31. Imagine you making $31. Let us say 4 days a week for like a month. Do the calculation, actually. See, this was said I'm clicking on it and it's just closing and opening. Probably not. It's already any profit. See here, right here. Yes, he's trying to show us the profit he has made. And thanks so much. Good morning. At times, it takes time before it responds. I might be a little bit late. This one now has made $22 just on the first trade that you took. That's the first day. And this one said, I'm also great. Thanks to who supported me with $100 to start trading, which means that he got $100 from someone to start trading and he made $57. $57. Imagine there are people earning from this. We are not telling you there are no losses, there are losses. We are not here to come and lie to you. That's the point. I am not here. I am my team. I'm not here to lie to you. We are going to simply tell you the truth. That's just the point. See this person now, earning $27. This is another one, $134 rolling already. This one about, see, about $46 in all. This is another person, $90. Yeah, we've already made $90 in profit. We are sitting, close it when you reach $100. Once you get to $100, just stop for that day. That's just how it works. So these are people winning, you know. So, and you know something, if you want videos of how you see the money loading in their account, you can ask me for videos. There are videos where we are going to show you. This person has built his account up to $500 already. See, we are definitely going to show you videos. That's just the point. Even there are videos that I'm going to show you here. These are people and you see now, this $70 is lost already. So that's what I'm telling you. This is lost now, $1,200. But the person was able to make profit. If you carry your calculator and actually add up all that the person has made there, you know the person has made profit. These are the people that have started for a while. So this is now what they are earning at the moment. This is one for it. This is some of our European clients. So these are videos actually. Let me see, maybe they will play so that you can see what is there. It's not playing actually, but if you want to see the videos, we are definitely going to send them to you so that you can see. So these are our signal group actually, but you won't be having access to this signal group. So these are the wins within a week. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you all these pips that you are seeing. Those pips that you are seeing, plus 40 pips. Sometimes it can mean like plus $4, it can mean plus $400, it can mean plus $40. You know, in terms of lot size, don't worry, I'm going to explain that later. With just the 30 pips, someone can make $3,000. Someone can make $3. Someone can make $30. Someone can make $300. So that's just how it is, depending on your account capacity and the lot size that you set. So that's just it. So these are the signal groups and all. These are like our clients. This one made $100 on this. He made $120 on this. This one make $300 on this. So you can see it's not something like I already said, there are losses. But the point is that your profit is definitely, we win most times like 7 out of 10. Sometimes throughout the week, it might just be only once. Sometimes it might be 4 times. But the maximum we have done is that we make sure that whenever you make a loss, which means that if losses are made 4 times, 2 trades should be able to cover, will always be able to cover for those 1 or 2 trades. We always be able to cover for those follows. That's the point, because the losses, which means the stop loss, is always like very, very low compared to the range at which the profits you want to catch in the market. So these are some big accounts. So I won't like you to look at these big numbers now. So we want to make sure we just start from a minimal level for you. So to gain access to this group, I want you to chat with me. So, and I will give you the link to our recommended broker. See, for you to have access to this group, you have to register on our recommended broker. Why do we want you to register on our recommended broker? Because we are partners with this broker, so we understand everything about them, especially when you're just starting. You need a good broker that you can trade with, and everyone on our, even our pay signal group, are using the broker. So we also want you to use it as well. And once you text me, I'm going to send you the link. I know. So the year is about to end, and if you are watching this in January, the year is not about to end actually. But for because of when I'm making this video, the year is about to end, and this is the best time for you to start generating consistent revenue in dollars. You might want to jackpot, or even forget about Nigeria economy, even while in Nigeria. And I and my team has made sure that this is what you are going to get actually. That we will make sure that you get it. So you have access to the free signal. I would like you to come into my DM, ask me for the link, and I will send you the video of how you are going to register, verify your credentials, and deposit. And for you to be able to have access to this group, you must be willing to deposit $100 at least. The reason why we are saying $100 per at least is that for you to be able to trade the type of currency we'll be giving you, you must have enough equity, because we don't want any issue with anybody. Oh, I came in with like a little account and my money is gone. No, we don't want any issues. So you want enough equity so that within a short period of time, you can amass more money for yourself. Please, $100 is the least. You can do $500. You can do $1,000. We'll be happy if you have a $1,000 account. If you have a $1,000 account, why the person that has $100 account is making like $30, 30, 40, maybe $100, you can be making your own will be all multiply. At that time, you might have been making like $3,000, $4,000 already. So the best thing for you is to make sure that you have your $100. And one thing is that you are not giving me the $100. You are depositing it directly into the broker's account. And you can deposit it into the broker's account, finish and say, oh, I'm not trading Forex again, Jare. I'm tired. And just remove your money. Your money will be loaded back to your account immediately. There is no issue. I'm not collecting the $100. You are loading the $100 into your broker's account. You are not giving me the money. I'm not charging you anything. I'm not charging you a dime. And while you are start to amass profit, you can start removing your money small, small, small. Then you have your $100. Then you continue with $100. So you know your mind is at rest that this money that I'm using to trade now is the money I'm getting for Forex. So that's just how it is. So once you have registered with the broker and you have deposited in your account, I will send you the videos you are going to watch, and I will give you access to the free signal group, and you start earning. The funny thing is that we are just creating a new set of teams now. So we want you to a new set of group actually, because some groups that came in 6 weeks ago are now paying $100 per month. Although we are looking at we can extend this 6 weeks by the end of December. So that's just it. And if you are watching in January as well, we can extend the 6 weeks to like 2 months. So if you are lucky enough, and we can decide to do that, but 6 weeks guaranteed, you are definitely going to make within $200, $300. If you are that is if you are depositing like $100. But if you are depositing way above that, you can. So that's just it. But I will advise that you deposit something around 150, 200 and above. But for you, $100 must be in your account. So you can send me a link, text me now, and I will surely send you the link to the broker. Please, you can only use the broker before you can have access to the. So thank you. I'll be expecting your message.